Hello my creative gals, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys on how to paint a pegboard with chalk paint and also how to hang the Nerf guns on the pegboard. Now I previously had this pegboard and it was just plain white and boring, and I decided to change it up a little and give it that me touch, if you know what I mean. I'm always constantly changing things around the house because I get bored of the same stuff, and I just like to change it up a little. And a little makes a big difference. I had so much fun with this project, and the wall, it looks so awesome. I think the black really stands out so much. And if you are interested, keep on watching. This is the exact same pegboard that I'm going to be using. I got it at Home Depot for under $10. Yep, $8.12. And I will be using this Rust-Oleum chalkboard black finish paint. And these are my favorite paint brushes. The pack is under $6. Those are the ones that I will be using as well. And here's my pegboard. I put it on top of a table, and that red thing that you see under there is one of those plastic washing pads, and I just use it because the pegboard has little holes in it, and in case the paint drips it can fall in it. And this is my second coat that I'm doing here. I did 3 coats in total, and I let it dry in between each coat for about 15 minutes between each coat. And these are my favorite foam brushes because it will give you that smooth finish that you want to get, and you don't have to worry about those ugly brush marks. Okay, so this is the step where you are going to be hanging up your pegboard, and you are going to start in the middle, right in the middle. As you can see, I already have my screw here and also down there. So this is the middle. So you can work with the corners. Okay, so I'm going to be using the metal washers, and I'm going to be putting it on the second hole because, oh gosh, I put it in the wrong way. Girl, what is you thinking? Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be putting it on the second hole because I previously had it hanging, but I decided to bring it down and paint it black. So I cannot put it on the same hole again because the screw will just not stay, if that makes sense. And now right here, I'm going to be using the plastic one, the plastic washer. I only had 4 of these, so that's why I had to use the metal ones on the other side. And now the reason why you want a gap in between the pegboard and the wall is because you are going to be placing your pegboard hooks. And if you just put the screw right on the wall without the washer in the back, you won't be able to put the hooks in.
Now these are also pegboard hooks, and you can use these to hang up lightweight items. And I'm going to be using these to hang up this little basket right here.
Hello my creative gals, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys on how to hang a pegboard. What? Hello my creative gals, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys on how to hang. So I decided to change it up a little and paint it black. Now, I forgot what I was gonna say.